Alright, this is a test of a 1971 Euromanuarms 44 black powder revolver. It's a Remington New Army clone with a brass frame. Picked it up with a batch of others at a local pawn shop. The set screw for the mainspring was stripped out. I had to tap a larger thread and then take a bolt and modify it. And I replaced the factory cap nipples with some Track the Wolf number 11 cap nipples. It's loaded with CCI number 11 caps, 15 grains of 777, and 180 grain home cast lead round ball. And let's see how it works. Well, all 6 shots, no misfires, no cap jams, nice and accurate. I'm gonna call this one a win. Thanks for watching.